The other one is, how about if you multiply it by 9? Okay? If you multiply it by 9, ang technique naman dito is you multiply the number by 10. So, 9 times 17, ang gagawin mo dito, you multiply 17 by 10. Yan, you deduct 17 at the end. This is what we call the multiplicator. The multiplicator is 17, the multiplicand is 9. Pero kahit nabalik-balik ka rin mo yan, parehas pa rin yung equation. Ang i-deduct mo dyan is not the number 9. It's actually the other number. So, a classic example is this. 27 times 9. How do we do it? You multiply 27 times 10, that is 270. Then, you deduct 27. Yan naman ang technique dyan. Either way, basta it is multiplied by the number 9. Another example is 1,278 times 9. The best way to do it is 1,278 times 10. Then, you deduct the other number, 1,278. Do not deduct 9, but the multiplicand, yung number na ginamit mo to multiply with 9. In this case, the answer is 11,502. Yan ang sinasabi natin na shortcut that you could actually mentally use. Mentally use yan going into the examination.